In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Spark Mail and sync your email across your Apple devices. We're going to keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll have Spark Mail installed, you'll sign in with your primary email to create what Spark calls your email for sync, and then you'll add Spark to a second device so everything, your accounts and settings, stays consistent wherever you work. Start on your iPhone or iPad by opening the App Store. In the search bar, type Spark Mail. Look for the official Spark app and tap Get. If your device asks for Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, go ahead and authenticate so the download begins. Once it finishes, tap Open to launch Spark for the first time. When Spark opens, sign in with your primary email address. This becomes your email for sync, also known as your Spark account. Think of it as the identity Spark uses to keep your setup the same across devices. It doesn't replace your other inboxes, it simply connects your devices so Spark can remember which email accounts you've added and the preferences you've chosen. Follow the prompts to complete sign-in and allow any permissions Spark requests so it can access your mail securely. Now move to your other device. This could be an iPad, a Mac, or another iPhone. Install Spark on that device from the App Store or Mac App Store, then open it. When you're asked to log in, use the exact same primary email address you used on the first device. That's the key to syncing. Using a different address would create a separate profile, so make sure it matches. After you sign in on the second device, Spark will automatically import your previous email accounts and settings. Give it a moment to sync, especially if you've added multiple inboxes or customized things like swipe actions and signatures. You should soon see the same accounts appear, along with your layout and preferences, just as they are on your first device. This makes switching between devices seamless. Archive an email on your phone and it's archived on your Mac. Add an account on your iPad and it's ready on your phone. That's it. You opened the App Store, searched for Spark Mail, downloaded and opened it, signed in with your primary email to create your email for sync, installed Spark on your other device, signed in with the same primary email, and let Spark bring in your accounts and settings automatically. You're now set up to work smoothly across your Apple devices with a unified mail experience.